All right, here we go. Good luck, Ray. Ray Sports Cards gonna do a box of 2015 Collegiate Draft Picks Prizm Football. Good luck, sir. Buena suerte. Yeah, you missed out on the whole conversation of why it's easier for me to drop off at the post office that's like down the street, even though they take longer to ship if I was to drive an extra 20 miles. Cam Chancellor Prizm. I got a mini case. Cam Chancellor. Josh Harper Team Trademarks. Yeah, right. You're paying the other 50%. Eli Manning Stained Glass. First autograph is Owamagbe Odigizua out of UCLA Blue. Well, that's a nice looking color. Blue Prizm with blue ink on a blue jersey. Pretty cool. That is number 3 of 75. Right? Owamagbe. No way I could do that. AJ Green Prizm. I don't even think he can say it 3 times fast. That's his own name. All-American Eric Reed. Deontay Greenberry. Houston Cougars. Reggie Wayne Camouflage out of the U. You didn't hear me? 28 of 199. David Johnson Prizm. Oh, I said it's mini. Mini. It's a mini. Andy Dalton Prizm. Said I have a whole case. Devontae Parker helmet. I answered you like 5 times. Jay Ajayi Blue Prizm. $75 of 75 on Boise State. And our last autograph is gonna be Camouflage Prizm, Michael Pruitt. 2 rookies. Out of Southern Illinois. Salukis. Especially you. What is that number? That is numbered 12 of 199. Michael Pruitt. That was the case. That was a box. So you had the Michael Pruitt Camouflage Blue Jay Ajayi, Reggie Wayne Camouflage, and Owamagbe Odigizua. Thank you, Ray.